So guys, we are inside our YouCut app. Let's create a new project. If you already created some projects, then you will find them in the draft section. And if there is no existing project, then we will only see the new project button. Press on it. Now select the top left button. Select the folder where you have your files. Now select the video you want to import. Press on the orange arrow. Now we are inside our main project. Next, to import the second video, tap on this plus icon. Then select the video you want to import. To swap the position of the video clips, tap, hold. Now just drag the video to change the position. To trim a video clip, just tap, hold and drag the edge of the video clip. Finally, to import audio, select music. Here we have all the audios available in our device. Select the one you want to import. Here the preview and press on use. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.